Do you have students who become overwhelmed when faced with a social challenge? Do they have difficulty recognising and solving problems? By teaching social problem solving, you can provide students with strategies to understand and respond to everyday problems. How does it work? Students develop and refine their social problem solving skills throughout the early years of schooling through interactions with others. Some students, including those on the autism spectrum, may benefit from a systematically taught process which includes strategies for solving social problems. Like many of the early years practices, you can implement this process by first observing the social problems that students encounter during class, and then identifying some strategies and processes for dealing with these social problems. Again, remember, parents and specialists can provide you with valuable information. Next, problem-solving visual cue cards can be prepared. In class, you can model the social problem-solving strategies.
We have to figure out who's going to go first, because not everyone can go first, because somebody will start to feel sad.
You can use role-play activities paired with explicit instructions describing problem-solving strategies.
We could have 3 straws, and whoever chooses the right straw goes first. Mackenzie, would you like to choose one?
You can also ensure further practice by developing or communicating these social problem-solving strategies to parents so they can be implemented at home.
So if you could try these at home with Willa.
If a student encounters a social problem during class, deal with this consistently, waiting until the student is calm before drawing on visual cues to provide constructive feedback. It works better if a whole class approach is implemented. It works better if teachers themselves model the social problem-solving skills that they aim to instill in students. It works better if visual supports are used to enhance student understanding of the process. It works better if students are consistently encouraged to use the process to solve their social problems whenever they occur. And it works better if students have already been taught self-regulation so they can exchange in problem-solving strategies more calmly. It doesn't work if the learning and social factors which can result in social problems are not also being proactively addressed. It doesn't work if a student is expected to solve a social problem while they are distressed. It doesn't work if the problem-solving process is not made clear or has too many steps. Make sure to review how the process is working and adjust if needed. It doesn't work if the student is taught the process but not the strategies, or vice versa. And it doesn't work if strategies and skills aren't consistently encouraged when a social problem occurs. Teaching social problem solving increases student ability to recognise issues when they arise and recover from these issues in a productive manner.